In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use prep guides. Prep guides are part of every program inside of That Clean Life. These guides give step-by-step instructions to your clients on how and when to prepare their meals and how to store their meals. It really is a roadmap to their meal plan and helps increase compliance. You can access any prep guide by clicking into a program. To find a program that works for your client, use the filters. Or you can search any keyword under the quick search. In this example, let's say I want to see if there are any programs for skin health. I can type the word skin, and anything that has a green icon beside it is a pre-made program. Select the program title to view everything the program contains. Each of our programs comes with a done-for-you meal plan, a grocery list, recipes, a prep guide, and supporting evidence. To view the prep guide, select Prep Guide under Attachments. This will open a new browsing tab and bring you to a Google Doc. From here, you can view the prep guide as is, or you can make changes. Please note, if you have made changes to the pre-made program inside of That Clean Life, you will need to edit the prep guide to reflect those changes. To edit the prep guide, you will first need to make a copy of this Google Doc. Click on File and Make a Copy. If you do not have a Google Drive account, go to File, Download, Microsoft Word. Rename the document as needed and click on Make a Copy. From here, you can modify any item in the document you need to. For example, let's say I changed a snack recipe called bell peppers and guacamole to baby carrots and hummus in the planner. I will then need to make this change in each instance of bell peppers and guacamole in the prep guide. I can quickly make this change by using the Find and Replace options in Google Docs. To do that, use Command F or Control F and expand your options. Enter the old recipe title, and then insert your new recipe title. Then click Replace All. Be sure to proofread the changes to ensure they make sense to your client. Once all changes have been made, you can copy the link and add this document as a link to your attachments within your sharing preferences. To add an attachment within sharing, turn sharing on. Click on Attachments and choose whether you'd like to include a link or rich text. In this example, we'd like to share the Google Doc link to the prep guide, so I will choose Link. Name the link and enter the link you have copied. Then click Create Attachment. When your client views the sharing link, they will see this under their attachments. You can also choose to create prep guides to any custom programs you have created. Simply use our prep guide as a template. When looking at any program from the Programs tab, click on Prep Guide. The guide will open in Google Docs. From here, click on File, Make a Copy. Name your copied version and click on Make a Copy. From here, delete everything in the two right-hand columns entitled Task and Notes. Now you're left with a customized template that you can use as a blank template guide for your own custom prep guides. And that's how easy it is to use prep guides.